Hi guys, Vaughn Twins here. This is Kenya coming at you guys today. I wanted to show you guys how I did this updo style using just one pack of synthetic hair, synthetic braiding hair. So this is what it looks like and I'm loving it. It's a perfect updo style. I am in the Texas area and it's very difficult. If I wanted to straighten my hair, it's difficult to keep it straight. Even the humidity gets to my curls sometimes, and so this is a perfect updo style if you guys go to the gym, you know, you work out a lot, or if you're very active, or if you're just always out in the sun and you're a naturalista like myself and my sister. I wanted to show you how I did this updo style, so stay tuned if you want to see it. All you'll need starting out is bobby pins. You'll need these small rubber bands, just some small black rubber bands. I picked them up from the beauty supply store. And you will need just one pack of braiding hair, and that's it. So if you're interested in how I did this, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am going to start with my Kanekalon braiding hair. Here we have it right here. Also rubber bands, the little black ones that you get from the beauty supply store. I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to begin to comb it through just to get all of the tangles out. Make sure that it's nice and smooth. And just make sure that it's prepped so that I can begin to twist the hair and have a nice smooth twist. So I'm just prepping the hair for that right now. Okay, so as you see, I have an Evian bottle. You can use anything that you want to. I'm just going to take the ponytail. I'm going to wrap it around the Evian bottle. And what it's essentially doing for me is it's giving me something to adhere the hair to so that I can begin to twist it and have the hair stay in place. So I'm just going to twist the hair from the top to the bottom. I'm going to begin to twist it. And as you can see, I'm just holding up that bottle for you so that you can see what I'm doing. And I'm almost at the end of the hair. I'm just twisting it, and that is going to create our beautiful goddess twist. I'm done, and so I'm going to go ahead and seal that twist off with that small rubber band that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. I'm going to go ahead and close it off with that. You want to make sure that you put it in pretty tight so that it doesn't pop. And just a disclaimer, if you end up twisting the hair and it's too tight, it's okay. Once you begin to adhere it to your head, you can loosen it up. So don't worry about that. So as you can see, I'm placing it on the right side of my ponytail in one of my top knots. And excuse me guys, I have a cold, so I'm trying to get over it. So please excuse me. I'm going to wrap the ponytail around twice, just to make sure that it's nice and tight, that it won't loosen, or that it won't straight up fall out. And I'm going to begin to wrap the hair around my ponytail. So I'm going to start with wrapping it around the front of my left top knot, and then back around to the right, and then back around to the left. So that's one way that you guys can do it. And let's try this one more time. Taking my bobby pin so that I can adhere the braid to my hair. I'm going to wrap it around my right ponytail toward the back, coming around to the left ponytail to the front, and then right back around the back side of my hair. And I'm going to loop the braid around the front of my hair, just like so. And now I'm just going to begin to adhere the hair to my head by bobby pinning it down. It's super cute. And then after that, you can begin to play with the bun. This is what it looks like at the top of my hair. You can loosen up the bun if you need to. You can leave it the way that it is. It's totally up to you. I absolutely love it this way though, because it's going to begin to loosen up within the next couple of days anyway. This is a protective style and an updo style, so it's going to loosen up on its own anyway. So there you have it. Cute, right? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any other requests or anything else that you would like for me and Kiana to bring to you guys, please let us know. Make sure that you rate, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.